The decision fatigue killer. Stop asking what's for dinner and start asking which sauce do I feel like? The Time ROI. Spend 20 minutes now to save 5 hours of cooking during the week. The Anti-Soggy Promise. Unlike traditional meal prep, your food won't taste like a microwave. Fresh greens and flash-added sauces keep every bowl crisp. The Budget Flex. Cheaper than a sad desk salad. Faster than an Uber Eats delivery. The key steps: the big batch base. Spend 20 minutes on Sunday or any evening roasting a massive tray of a neutral protein chicken, chickpeas, or tofu and boiling one giant pot of a versatile grain quinoa, farro, or rice. The flavor high ground. Buy 3 distinct store-bought sauces, 1 creamy tahini tzatziki, 1 spicy Syrak salsa, and 1 savory soy ginger pesto. The 5-minute assembly. When it's time to eat, grab a bowl, throw in your pre-cooked base, add a handful of raw green spinach arugula, and pivot the flavor using 1